ngayon, eto, yan, na-miss kong mag-reaction video ng scary movie. So, yan, hindi kasi tayo masyado nakakapag-explore ngayon. Ngayon ay manonood muna tayo at magre-react sa paborito nating si Death of Spare. Yan, na-miss ko nang panoorin to. Simulan natin at na-excite na ako manood ulit at mag-react sa mga nakakatakot na video ni Death of Spare.
On a late afternoon, a mother named Jasmine and her daughter can be seen rushing home after being followed by a creepy person.
May sumusunod daw sa kanila. Oy! Aba, may sumusunod nga, naka-hoodie pa. At mukhang nabembang. Grabe maglakad no? Bakeng kang maglakad.
The strange person is caught on the doorbell camera
tamo
following them to
maglakad.
their door. But the mother noticed that at the same time as this event, another strange thing occurred.
So
Talagang sinusundan sila.
And I don't understand how I didn't see this because
Hindi yan ghost. Mukhang hindi siya ghost. Mukha siyang mukha siyang addict.
this is ridiculous.
Just after they got inside, this happened when the man arrived by the door.
Buti na una sila, no?
I just called the police. Get out front of my door.
Yun, no, nakita niya. Mukhang may sayad, mukhang may toyo.
I know you heard me. Get out front of my door.
Oh. Mukhang bangag. Mukhang bangag. Oy. Ayun, nakakatakot. Yung bumukas yung pinto. Grabe yun.
This is the last time I'm gonna tell you. Get out front of my door right now. The police on the way.
Oh, tapos umara.
Go.
Bakit bumukas yung pinto walang ilaw?
Due to the fear of being followed at the time, the mother didn't notice the door
Ayun, no?
opening on its own, as it stays open for a moment and then closes again. But this itself isn't what terrifies her the most. When she goes to check the door later, things get even creepier.
Yeah, so here's an update on what happened in the Ring camera footage when I was with my daughter the other day. And they stole my Ring camera.
Nakakatakot naman yung hotel nila. Nakakatakot. Ang creepy ang creepy nung ambience.
For another day. Anyway, y'all, in the 3 years that I've lived here, I have never seen this door come open.
Grabe. 3 taon siya nandyan na hindi niya nakita na nagbukas yung pintuan na yan. Tapos, parang meron lang insidenteng nangyari ng ganito, nagbukas na.
Like,
Tapos nakalaki.
look at that. But in the video, you saw
Oh,
the door just
grabe
came
yun.
open. Who opened the door?
Grabe yun.
Look at it.
Pero parang sa tingin ko parang posible na na may nagbabantay sa kanila no. No, parang pinagtaano sila, kumbaga parang nililito, yung parang alam na parang may masamang intention yung sumusunod sa kanila. So nararamdaman nung nakatirang multo siguro diyan na dito ka pumasok, dito ka na lang pumasok, parang pinapapasok niya, binubuksan niya yung pinto. Siguro natakot din yung lalaki kasi bigla ding bumukas, 'di ba? Sino matatakot doon? Bakit mo ako pinapapasok diyan? Ang dilim-dilim.
Pitch black. Like, make it make sense. Like, how?
Oh. Questionable talaga yan. Bakit paranormal talaga yan.
I don't know. It don't make sense.
The door has been locked for years.
Grabe.
The whole time Jasmine has been living there. So just how
Tapos
did it
bumukas na
suddenly
lang
come
ng
open?
ganyan. Nakakatakot.
That time, Jasmine has no
Kamot
explanation
sa
as to
ulo.
what happened. But the more she investigates, the creepier it gets. Despite this, Jasmine is now determined to find out what's inside that room. She reaches out to property management staff and shows them the video, making them open the door
Ayan,
to check
babuksan
what's
nila.
inside. And things
Chichikin
get
nila
a
yung
whole
loob.
lot scarier. Watch closely.
Okay, y'all, so property management sent somebody up to come take a look, so I'm gonna let him do what he do, and I'm gonna stay back here. You say the light works? Y'all, he said the light works. Oh, Lord.
Oh, bakante nga. Bakante pala. Akala ko may tenant dyan.
What is that?
Panay sapatos ng bata.
Y'all. What the hell is going on? Y'all see all these little kids? They have put
Wow.
kids' shoes up in
Mukhang ano, no, collection ng ano, tsinelas ng bata.
there. What the? So
What the?
So hold on, because no, this other day the door came open when I was in here. So if the door came open, like no, I'm sorry, I'm not. Okay, y'all.
At saka hindi siya magsisinungaling kasi may video siya. 'Di ba? Meron siyang ano, malamang CCTV yun or binidyohan niya. Ayun. Binidyohan niya na talagang bumukas. Meron siyang evidence na bumukas talaga yung pintuan na yun.
Remember that thing? I thought it was a snake. I really thought it was some plastic, but
Ayun oh, ayun oh, ayun parang may puti
I'm
oh.
not gonna get close to that shit.
Parang may
This
puti
is
doon sa
real
camera niya.
Snake skin. Oh my god.
Ayun, may ahas pala dyan.
You can see like
Ooh, yan ang isa pa sa nakakatakot. May ano, may balat ng ahas. So ibig sabihin may ahas diyan. Basta pag daw merong nagbalat na ahas doon sa isang lugar na 'yon, eh meron daw talagang ahas na naninirahan doon. So nag-change skin siya. Kaya nakakatakot yan, delikado yan. Baka mga nasa kisame yung mga yan.
ooh. Oh my god.
Nakakatakot yung ano. Kinikilabutan talaga ako sa pag
Inside the room is
mga
a huge pile of
balat ng
children's
ahas.
shoes, which really shook Jasmine to the core. This potentially implies something much more disturbing is going on than just something
Ayan
paranormal
oh,
alone.
ayan oh.
After examining the shoes
Ayan,
in
oh.
detail, Jasmine is left freaked out after what she discovers among the pile.
So I'm looking back at this
Ba't
video.
ang daming tsinyela? Ba't ang daming sapatos ng bata dyan?
And I noticed something in them pile of shoes. Those frozen Elsa boots, whatever you want to call it.
Mga boots pa.
Are my daughter's.
Oh!
Like, I'm gonna show y'all a picture that me and my daughter took, like, I want to say like
Ooh.
2 months ago. Yo, this is crazy.
Crazy! Diba crazy? Sabi niya, nakakasyak talaga yun. Bakit yung sapatos nung anak niya ay nandyan?
Because
Ooh.
I really thought she just lost them at school.
Tapos
Those
nandyan?
shoes belong to my daughter.
Oh,
After seeing this, it really begs the question, just how did her daughter's boots end up in this pile of shoes? And
Ano
why
nangyari
is it
yun?
just children's shoes?
sinong gagawa nun?
This, combined with the fact there was a guy following them to their door, really makes you think something very unsettling is going on. After finding out that nobody has had access to that room for years, Jasmine
Grabe yun.
makes a disturbing realization.
Somebody in this
Ghost of
building
person.
must be going around here just collecting shoes. And I'm not gonna say collecting, stealing little kids' shoes around here. I've talked to at least 2 or 3 different people in this building who have said that their children been missing shoes.
Oh!
So I'm
May nangongolekta ng ano, sapatos ng bata. So, malamang may multo doon na nangongolekta ng sapatos ng bata.
thinking that somebody has access to that room and they're going around stealing shoes and then taking them and putting them in there. But my question is, though, why though? They're just putting shoes in the room, like it just none of this shit makes sense to me right now.
Jasmine believes someone in the building
Ayun,
must have
oh.
access to that room and is stealing shoes.
Possible
and
din, oh. Baka possible din na hindi mo malaman kung ghost ba or tao kasi parang binuksan, oh, may tao, lalabas ako. So nakita niya na may tao, isinarado niya ulit. So possible na may tao doon. Kaya lang, bakit siya nangongolekta ng mga sapatos ng bata, di ba?
placing them inside. Property management have informed her that all the shoes have been moved and they plan to change the locks on the door so that it remains locked for good. They told her to remain vigilant and see if her camera captures anything in the meantime. So Jasmine decides to take matters into her own hands by setting up a trap.
Okay, y'all, I'm finna get to the bottom
Ayan,
of this.
yan, nag-set up siya ng trap. Tingnan natin kung may kukuha niyan.
Put them here as bait, right? On some real cheap shoes, just, you know, little kids' shoes or whatever. But what I did was,
Tapos
I got me
CCTV.
a plant, right? Little cheap plant too. But look what's inside the plant. Hopefully y'all can see it. Hopefully
Ayan,
y'all
tingnan
can see
natin.
it, but
Jasmine thinks whoever decides to take these boots and enters the room will be the culprit responsible for all the other theft in the building, including her Ring camera. She records the hallway for 2 nights and nothing happens, until day 3 when the camera captures this.
Tignan natin. Kinilabutan ako. Akala ko multo na. May tao. Hindi niya alam na may CCTV yung ano niya, kapitbahay niya. Hindi, parang may nakita rin siya doon. Parang doon din. Parang may nakikiramdam din yung kanya. Yung kasamahan niya, yung kabila. Ayun. Ayun, gumalaw yung Gumalaw yung sapatos. Ghost nga talaga. Ghost yung nangongolekta ng mga sapatos ng mga bata. Takot niya,
Out of nowhere,
Grabe, nakakatakot to.
one of the boots just moves on its own. It appears to jump up and land in front of the other one, almost as if it took a step forward on its own. This immediately scared her next-door neighbor to the core, after witnessing it firsthand. But after hearing her story, it only gets worse. Supposedly, she had opened her door to look outside after hearing a baby crying loudly outside her door. After a few seconds,
Grabe, multo pala ng bata talaga. Tapos, mahilig sa mga boots, sa mga sapatos ng bata.
she steps closer to the locked door and realizes the sounds are coming from inside the room, which scares her, so she walks back. And that's when the boot suddenly moves forward on its own. There's no audio of a baby crying in the video, so it's hard to say if she did hear it. But it does appear as though something caught her attention with the way she came out of her house and started looking around for something. Either way, it doesn't provide an explanation for the creepy boots that moved on
Paano mapapaliwanag yan?
its own. Ever since this
Sinong
day,
gagawa
Jasmine
niyan
has followed
Sinong gagawa niyan para gumalaw yung sapatos na yun, di ba?
boots sound as they left her deeply terrified. Shortly after this, the property management finally put a lock on the door, and when Jasmine makes an update video to show this, something horrifying happens.
Okay, y'all, so update. As you can see, property manager came and put a lock on the door.
Ayan, nakalak na.
And whoever was in there,
Ano yun? Ano yun?
the fuck?
Sa kabila naman. Ano yun, sa kanya? Sa room
After
niya?
showing a lock now installed on the door, all of a sudden another door next to it, which was also locked the whole time, begins to open by itself, before closing on its own again as she steps closer. Jasmine quickly returns to her room, freaked out by this whole ordeal. However, since then, no
Grabe yun,
updates have been provided, so it's unclear what exactly is going on. Until further notice, this video is a very creepy mystery. The warehouse.
Nakakatakot yung promise, Ito, warehouse.
On June the 28th of 2025, a man named Lewis started hearing many strange noises inside his workplace. He works at an external warehouse of a club, and just recently many employees reported hearing strange noises inside the place. They didn't pay much attention to it at first, but the sounds quickly grew louder and more consistent. So on one of his shifts, Lewis decides to head down into this part of the warehouse alone after hearing some sounds, and pulls his phone out to capture this.
O sea, está súper rarísimo. No sé qué habrá sido, la verdad. Pero donde más escuches allá arriba y la neta me están temblando las piernas para subir. No mames. Algo se está moviendo allá arriba.
Uy!
No.
Ano yun? Ano yun?
No mames, no mames, no mames, ¿qué fue eso? No manches.
May nagwawala.
No mames.
Ay,
¿Qué fue eso?
akala kong ano, nakahanger pala, nakahanger.
¿Qué fue eso? ¿Qué fue eso? No mames.
Pero gumalaw eh.
No mames, no mames.
Gumalaw yung damit eh.
Esto fue lo que se movió. Ay, me está temblando la mano. Uf. Ay. Tengo las orejas hasta calientes. Aquí no. Pues aquí nadie tiene acceso. O sea, no
Ayan.
sube nadie. O sea, ahorita les voy a enseñar que no hay nada. Nada, ni nadie aquí.
Uy, may natunog, may natunog.
De hecho, que está como cerrada. Aquí. No hay nada. Miren aquí desde. No mames,
Uy.
no mames. ¿Qué fue eso?
Pinapaalis ka daw, umalis ka na daw dyan.
La verdad es que esta luz que está acá fue la que me hizo.
Oh, tissue yun oh. Tissue ba? Tape? Tape no? Sinihulog.
No hay nadie.
Uy.
Que no sé qué pedo. No mames.
Oh,
No mames.
nasa loob na yun ah.
¿Qué fue eso?
Uy! Grabe yun oh. May sumilip. May sumilip.
No manches.
Takbo. Grabe naman yun.
Objects move around
Oh.
on their own, and behind a closed door, a dark shadow figure is seen peeking out at him. Lewis then runs out of there in a panic.
Whew! Grabe tong depth of despair talaga.
He has no
Sobra,
idea
nakakatakot ang
what
mga
caused the
video
events in
nito.
the building, but is still investigating each day.
Ayan, abandoned school. Abandoned school.
On March the 24th of 2025, a man named Miguel was working the night shift as a security guard for an old abandoned primary school located somewhere in Managua, Nicaragua. The school
Nicaragua.
has been abandoned for over a year, but still has many valuables
Ayan oh, mga
inside.
abandoned school oh. Sarap diyang magmukbang.
Owner is planning to sell the whole
Mag-explore.
property, so until then, Miguel is tasked with the night watch, as well as feeding 4 of the school dogs. Before the school was constructed, the area was used as a sanctuary in the
Sanctuary.
Nicaraguan Civil War. Nearby, many bodies of soldiers were burned after death. Late one night, while Miguel was patrolling the school grounds, he noticed something creepy in one of the classrooms and quickly took a picture.
Ay na, creepy.
Behind a wall, a creepy, pale-looking face can be seen looking towards him.
Saan?
On another night, he decided to record a tour of the facility during a late
Ay na,
night
ghost
shift
hunt na, ghost
when he
hunt.
captures something chilling.
Sí da miedo. De hecho, por aquí inicio porque por acá me queda cerca la torre de control. Si veo algo o me pasa algo acá, yo salgo corriendo a mi torre de control y ahí me enllavo. Ahora, como les seguía diciendo, este lugar es un poco sano.
A creepy face can be seen looking out from behind a door, and then a door in the distance opens by itself. The very next night, he would see something that shook him to the very
Ayun,
core.
bumukas yung pinto.
Watch closely.
Oy! May anino doon, may anino.
Sí. ¿Qué es eso que se escucha? ¿Qué es eso que se escucha? Bueno,
May anino, patay ka dyan.
hola 100 puntos. Hola 100 puntos.
Takbo. Kahit ako, tatakbo ko dyan eh. Pag sa may nakita ko eh.
Punta gente.
A creepy figure can be seen moving quickly towards him on the second floor. Miguel was
Sugurin ka pa niya, no?
terrified and had to take
Oo.
a few days off after what he
Nakakatakot yun. Kulay
had
puti.
seen. A few nights later, he would be continuing part of his tour, showing the classrooms when this happens.
Y esta sería la última aula que revisen el rondín. Acá como pueden ver, pues está un poco descuidada porque aquí han guardado las cosas que el colegio antes usaba.
Hoy! Gumalaw yung upuan.
Me escuché algo,
Gumalaw
pero
yung
no sé qué
upuan.
fue. Bueno,
Oh.
colación. Puta. Uy, colación.
Umalis ka na dyan, tumakbo ka na.
No joda. Ojalá que lo haya grabado. Ojalá que lo haya grabado.
A chair comes sliding across the floor behind Miguel, and he just runs to the other side of the school, not wanting to go near that classroom again. However, a few nights later, the moment he returns, he notices the lights
Nakakatakot, oh.
flickering, then captures something chilling.
Es que ando tartamudo de lo asustado que estoy. Ahora mira, mira cuando yo me alejo. Mira,
O, pinatay yung ilaw.
Mira, mira.
Oo. Ang lakas nito, patay sindi yung ilaw.
mira. Ahora mira cuando me acerco. Mira. Nada.
Pag lumalapit siya, bukas yung ilaw. Pero pag lumalayo siya, namamatay-matay yung ilaw.
Nada.
Pinapapasok ka.
Nada. Ahora mira ahorita que es que estoy tartamudeando.
Someone or something bangs on the window. Miguel was getting to the point where he couldn't bear it anymore. So eventually he showed all his footage to his employer and demanded that he have someone else work on shift with him so he
Ayun,
isn't
oh.
completely alone in this place. But in the end, real ghost or not, you be the judge. The Rake.
The rake.
A man named Robert White from Williamsburg, Virginia was relaxing out on his front porch late one night, staring off into the woods and enjoying the nature, when he hears what sounds like something moving in the woods, and as he looks around he notices a pair of glowing eyes staring right at him.
Ayun, ano yan? Oh, mukhang
Alright, no lie.
mukhang
I'm on my back.
mukhang hugis tao, hindi siya mukhang hayop eh. Mukha siyang hugis ng tao.
Porch. I heard something
nakatingin sa
stomping
kanya.
in the woods. Something huge.
Ayun yun, naghanakbo.
As Robert looks closely, what looks like a pale grey humanoid figure with bright
Ayun, oh.
glowing orange eyes can be seen lurking up
Mukhang
in the
human
trees.
figure, pero ba't
Before hiding as he
nanlilisik yung
gets
mata?
noticed, Robert then decides to call out to it when this happens.
Ayan na.
Show yourself.
Hahabulin ka niyan. Tapang niya, no? Show yourself.
I stood my ground. I saw your eyes. The eyes were not visible. I couldn't see anything. I had my flashlight on. I couldn't see anything. This thing is big. I'm not that high off the ground, but I'm high enough to where I thought it couldn't attack me until I saw how high its eyes were.
Ayun, oh. Puti naman yung mata ngayon. Footstep approaching. Ayun na, pupunta siya sa'yo.
As he looks closely at it, the creature suddenly fades into the darkness, and then it can be heard quickly approaching him. Robert swiftly turns around and enters his house, not daring to find out what happens if this thing gets too close to him.
Grabe,
Ever
ano
since
kaya
that
yan?
night, he never saw it again.
Ano kayang creatures yan?
All alone.
All alone.
This next video was taken over 8 years ago, and not much context is provided except for the fact that the man lives alone in a house, which appears to be haunted.
Hoy, gumagalaw yung
It started
ilaw.
out with some banging sounds and occasional knocking, and then things started moving on their own, and one night he captures this.
Ah, lahat ng ilaw ah. Parang nagsasayawan ah. Dancing light. Oh, ba't gumagalaw yung ilaw? Di ba nalindol? Ay, pati. Oh, delikado. Delikado. Lakas oh. Lahat oh. Nagbabanging oh. Lahat gumagalaw. Aba. Pinapalayas ka na dyan. Grabe naman yon. Oh? Pero ang tapang niya.
All sorts of objects can be seen moving all over the place in the house. The
Lahat
man being
gumalaw
used
eh.
to most of the activity doesn't panic much, but isn't sure what is causing these events. So is his house really haunted, or is it just
Haunted
an
yan.
intricate ruse? You be the judge.
Ayun, so ayan, another video na naman ni DepOps Pair. Nakakatakot talaga itong mga video niya. So ayan, meron pala ako sa inyong i-introduce. Ito ang aking kape. Ito ang aking Boss Coffee na kapeng Barako Drip. Yan. So ito yung aking product ngayon na ipopost ko sa TikTok and Shopee. Meron din akong mug niyan. Ayan, Boss Coffee. So ito ay kapeng Barako na favorite ko. Nag-a-apply pa tayo ng mga permit. So kaya hindi po tayo makapag-post sa TikTok at Shopee. For processing pa yung ating requirements. So mahigpit na kasi ngayon sa Shopee at TikTok, hinahanapan na nila ng mga registration. So ayan, pero ongoing na naman, pinaprocess na natin. So siguro mga after a month, makakapag-post na tayo sa TikTok at saka sa Shopee. So yan, kung gusto nyo to ng kapeng Barako Drip, yan, napakasarap nito. Favorite namin to ni Boss Rino, yan, ang kape nito. So masarap talaga siya, sobrang sarap. Kapeng Barako. So ayun, thank you sa inyong panonood. Hanggang sa muli ng ating reaction video at mga vlog na gagawin. Ayan, thank you and goodbye.